Hello guys. Today, I want to introduce my MicroGenius Pocket PC. This remarkable little device may be small in size, but it's big on versatility and entertainment. At its core, the MicroGenius is powered by an Arduino Pro Micro, a compact microcontroller that forms the heart of this pocket-sized wonder. But what makes it truly special is what it can do. Let's get started with components. Mainly, I am using for components to make my MicroGenius Pocket PC. This is an OLED screen. You can buy this module under $4. Also, I am using FTDI driver to make a connection between Arduino Pro Micro and computer. First and foremost, it is your personal communication hub. Thanks to the SIM800L SIM module, you can make and receive calls effortlessly. Imagine having a fully functional phone that fits right into your pocket. It's convenience like never before. Now, let's see the UI of MicroGenius Pocket PC. Also, you can play mini games on MicroGenius. You can play games when you have a free time or you are in boredom. Main thing is this pocket computer can dial and receive calls. To do this, you need to power the SIM800L module externally with a 3.7 volt and 2 ampere battery. If you are in trouble, this is very fast and easy way to get a call. Also, now I'm making MicroGenius version 2. If you want to know the updates on it, don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching and see you in next video.